North South University, the first private university in Bangladesh, was established by a group of philanthropists, industrialists, bureaucrats and academics in 1992 under. About the library. North South University, NSU, library grew over the years since 1992 and now has become one of the best university libraries in the country. The library consists of 70,000 square feet floor area and can accommodate over 1,200 students at a time in its well-furnished reading rooms. The Wi-Fi and broadband internet connection of the library building help the library users to access online resources easily. A total of 80,000 books, reports and bound journals including 15,000 online books, a good number of CD-ROM books and databases, videos and DVDs of the library cover all disciplines of knowledge. In addition of this collection, the library subscribers printed issue of 76 foreign and 35 local journals, 28 foreign and 27 local magazines, 4 foreign dailies and almost all leading national dailies of Bangladesh. Sections. The library maintains 12 different sections to provide better service to its users. Arts and Social Sciences section. This section is in the 4th floor of the library building. The books in business, economics, language, literature, sociology, psychology, statistics, history, religion, philosophy, etc. are available here. Applied Science and Engineering section. This section is in the 5th floor of the library building. The books in computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, environmental sciences, mathematics, physics, chemistry, etc. are arranged in this section. Reference section. This section is in the 5th floor of the library building. All kind of reference books like encyclopedias, dictionaries, yearbooks, directories, reports, bound journals, etc. are available in this section, but these resources are not issuable to the users. Biomedical Sciences section. This section is in the 3rd mezzanine of the library building. The books in pharmacy, biochemistry, microbiology, public health, biotechnology, biology, etc. are available in this section. Chinese book sections. This section is also in the 3rd mezzanine floor of the library building. The books in Chinese language, literature, history and culture, etc. are available in this section. E-Resources, Access Center and Audiovisual sections. This section is in the 2nd mezzanine floor of the library building and equipped with 50 computers with broadband and Wi-Fi internet connection. The audiovisual equipments of this section facilitate users to get preparation for IELTS, TOEFL, GMAT, GRE exams, watching movie, listening music, etc. free of charge. Newspapers and Magazines Archive section. This section is in the 2nd mezzanine, the library building. Periodical section. This section is in the 1st mezzanine of the library building. All local and foreign current print journals, newspapers, magazines, company reports, news clippings are available in this section. Study hall. This section is in the 1st floor of the library building. Around 500 students can read at a time here. The students can read here with their own and library's books and also allowed to group discussion. To borrow book by self-check machine, user should follow the steps. Touch on checkout or account information option. Then put library membership barcode under the red light and write passwords or PIN number. Account information displays on the screen. Now press OK button. Put the book on board that user like to borrow. Now remove the book from board. Finally, touch on print receipt option and wait for checkout slip. To return book by self-check machine, user should follow the steps. Touch on return option. Put the book on board that user like to return. Wait for a while. Remove the book from the board. Finally, touch on print receipts options and wait for book return slip. Users may return their borrowed books through book drop box. Service hours. NSU Library maintains 7 days a working week. It is open Sunday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturday and from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Friday. It remains closed on public holidays.